1928 Ford Model A pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. All steel body, boards, fenders. Kind of a cool color combination with the white and red. Underneath the hood, 201 cubic inch L-head inline 4-cylinder. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front bumper and grille surround. Should have some chrome on the headlight buckets here also. All right, still pictures. You'll be able to see it from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the spoked wheels. We get to the end of the video, we're started up and let you hear it run. Also, Jason's going to take it for a drive. It's got a little bit of a rough idle to it. I noticed when we pulled it around in here. But it's one of those, want to play around with it, give it a little bit of TLC, enjoy it. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local parades. You can take it out, throw some candy out of it. Maybe have a couple kids ride in the back of it, throw candy, what have you. There's a good look at the bed. Previous owner's family has decided to sell this. Unfortunately, he had passed away. They just didn't drive it or use it enough. So now it is available to purchase. And once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. And as you can see, the paint shows nicely, but you know, is there spots where there's a chip or a nick or a scratch? Yes. I mean, it's a Model A, 1928. It kind of goes with the aura of the car, so to speak. It's harkening back to early century, and they didn't have the flashy paint and everything all done up like a street rod. Stuff was utilitarian back then. It was actually used. So the visor on there. Let's check out this interior a little bit. A little highlighted red pinstriping on the white. Of course, black door panel, black vinyl bench seat. Battery would be located underneath the driver's floorboard. Of course, you'd have your throttle and timing up here in the column. I got them set about where I want them. We're going to end up turning this to on. We have a gas shutoff down here. You can see up and down is on. Horizontal is off. Choke, I don't think we're going to need that. We're indoors here. Let's go ahead and push the starter. Get her to fire up. And we are in neutral, so looks like the amp meter came up. Like I said, a little bit of a rougher idle. May need a little TLC, but like I said, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. He'll buzz it around between our detail department and the main shop. I can probably get this side panel open for us real quick. If you want to take a look underneath the hood, just get a peek at it. That's a 201 cubic inch L-head. I have played around with the timing a little bit on there. Yeah, it might smooth out a little bit, but like I said, a little bit of a rough idle, but I guarantee you a little bit of tuning, attention, baby will purr. 1928 Ford Model A pickup here at UniqueClassicCars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1928 Ford Model A pickup truck. This is a 3-speed manual on the floor. Kind of sounds like it's got a little snort to it. Might be a little loud on the road. Hopefully you can hear me. It is a fun, easy to drive truck. Just gotta know how to drive a clutch. Pretty simple. Looking good in red and white. Our speedometer appears to be working. Doing about 30 miles an hour. I'll keep it slow so you can hear me well. Final bench seat. Nice road feel to this truck. You can see those big, beautiful headlight buckets. The way you'd expect a Model A to handle. Even more versatile, having a truck bed. That guy just gave me a thumbs up. You're going to get a lot of those when you drive a cool vehicle like this. Our amp gauge is right in the middle. You don't get a lot of gauges in these old trucks. They're just simple. Similar to a tractor. You fire them up and they go to work. I'll take the roundabout and let you see how she corners. Speaking of simple, here is your wiper. Just give it a wipe with your hand every once in a while. The good old days. Brakes are working. These vehicles are so light they corner flat. Find all the pictures and everything you want to know about this Model A pickup over at uniqueclassiccars.com.